Hello students, today let us study a new lesson. The name of the lesson is The Thief's Story, and this story is written by Ruskin Bond. And before going to lesson, let us have a glance on the life of Ruskin Bond. Let us know about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is Indian author of British descent. He born to British parents, but he is an Indian author. He was born on 19th May 1934, and he is well known for the children literature. He wrote many books for the children, and he was awarded with the Sahitya Akademi Award in the year 1992 and Padma Shri Award in the year 1999 and Padma Bhushan Award in the year 2014. These are the awards which were given to Ruskin Bond. This is small introduction about Ruskin Bond. Now let us have an introduction about the lesson, The Thief's Story. Here one 15-year boy is there. His name is Hari Singh. He is a thief and he wants to make friendship with another person. His name is Anil and he is of 25 years old, and making the friendship with Anil, Hari Singh wanted to steal money from Anil. It was his intention. So in the beginning he makes friendship, and after that he wanted to steal money from Anil. Whether he succeeded in his efforts or it was failure, let us see in the lesson. A young boy makes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Does the boy betray his truth? The young boy means Hari Singh, thief, friends with Anil. He makes a friendship with Anil. Anil trusts him completely. Anil believes Hari Singh completely and employs him. He gives a job to him. Does boy betray his truth? Then does that boy, Hari Singh, he betray his truth? Did he cheat him? Betray means prove faithless or treacherous. Was he faithless person or was he good person? Let us see through the lesson. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Here the thief, Hari Singh, he is the narrator of the story. He is telling his life story here. Hari Singh. I was still a thief when I met Anil. He is telling, when I met Anil, that time I was still a thief. And though only 15, at that time his age was 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Though I was 15 years old, I was experienced and fairly successful hand. I was very skillful in my job. What is the job? Stealing. I was good at that job. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. Yes, Anil was watching wrestling match when I approached him. This boy, Hari Singh, when he saw Anil for the first time, that time Anil was watching a wrestling match and he approached him. He came near to him. He was about 25, means he was 25 years old. Who? Anil. A tall, Anil was tall person, and lean means thin fellow. He looked easygoing. He was looking like easygoing. Easygoing means carefree, not worrying much about anything. Such kind of nature he has. Kind and simple enough for my purpose. And Anil was looking like a very kind and simple person enough for my purpose. He was kind person and he was very simple person. And this boy, Hari Singh, he was in search of such kind of person so that he can cheat that person very easily. He can steal money from that person very easily. So for his purpose, for his stealing purpose, this person, Anil, was looking very suitable person. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. And Anil thinks it doesn't take much time for him to make friendship with Hari Singh thinks it doesn't take much time for him to make friendship with Anil or to get the confidence of that person. Confidence means faith of that person. It doesn't take much time like that Hari Singh thinks. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Then this boy, Hari Singh, he comes towards Anil and he says, I think you are also looking like a wrestler. Already it is mentioned, Anil is very thin and long person. He is not suitable person. His body is not like a wrestler's body. Then also, Hari Singh is telling him, you are looking like a wrestler. It is a kind of flattery. Flattery means what? Praise too much or compliment. He is giving compliment or he is praising Anil. He said, you are looking like a wrestler. And he says, flattery helps in making friends. If we praise somebody, naturally that person becomes happy and he starts to talk to us. So flattery is helpful for making new friendship. That technique is being used by Hari Singh here in order to make friendship with Anil. So do you? He replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Anil, he gave reply. He says, so do you. For me, you are also looking like a wrestler. You are also looking like a wrestler, he replied. Which put me off for a moment. Hearing this reaction, reply of Anil, for a moment, Hari Singh, he was off, he was quiet. Because at that time, he was rather thin. At that time, he was very thin. His body was not suitable to become a wrestler or he was not looking like a wrestler. Then also Anil was telling what you are looking like a wrestler. By hearing that, for a moment Hari Singh was silent. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. For that later he replied in a modest manner. Modest means what? In a polite manner. Softly or politely, Hari Singh replied, I do wrestle a bit. Yeah, I know wrestling a bit. Little bit I know about wrestling. What's your name? Then Anil asks Hari Singh, what's your name? Hari Singh, I lied. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. Then Hari Singh says, means thief says, his name is Hari Singh. Actually it was lie. His original name is not Hari Singh, because every month he used to change his name, because police should not trace him. He is a thief. Police may trace him, or his earlier employers, former employers, they may trace him, who gave him job earlier. They may trace him. So, in order to avoid that problem, every month he was changing his name. Now he is telling his name is Hari Singh. After this introduction, Anil talked about a well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. After this introduction, there was an introduction of Hari Singh. After that, Anil talked about well-oiled wrestlers. Anil was talking about well-oiled wrestlers. Usually they put oil for their body. He is talking about those wrestlers, and those wrestlers, they were grunting. Grunting means making a low, short, guttural sound. They were screaming, they were making sound. And they were throwing each other, lifting and throwing each other about. You know, wrestling means they lift another person, a wrestler, he lifts another person, he throws that person. Like that, they were wrestling, and about them Anil was talking. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. There was nothing to say much more than this. Anil moves from that place, and Hari Singh, means that thief, also follows Anil. Next, what had happened? Let us see in our next session.